what's up, you guys? My name is Dennis, Gloria's husband, Gloria's protector, Gloria's provider, and whatever else Gloria wants me to be. I'm here at work, one of the boringest jobs ever. Going on my lunch right now. I have to contact Gloria. I can't take a lunch without calling her, or she's gonna.
Good morning. My forehead looks really big. Good morning. It is, I gotta eat first. All my life I've been a slow eater. I'm still eating my breakfast. I have to come and get my phone. I have to finish my food so I can function.
Yourself as a God-fearing person.
I'm still not ready yet. It's Friday. This year went by so fast. I said to myself at the beginning of this year that I was going to do Vlogmas for this year, but December creeped up so fast. I was just not ready. I'm going to be doing a series, 12 Days of Christmas, where you get to spend 12 days of me and my family, my very small family. Today I'm 20 weeks pregnant. This is the greatest that I've felt so far. I know that it's coming to an end, so I'm just soaking up these last few weeks before I enter into my third trimester. The only thing that's really annoying right now is that I eat in small proportions, but I eat throughout the day. And it's like my stomach gets so full so fast, but I'm still hungry. And it's just like if I eat anymore, it feels like my stomach will explode. It's hard out here. But as you guys probably already know, I'm not a morning person. It takes a while for me to actually get my life together in the morning and get my thoughts together. So I'm still waking up. Hi. This is my belly. Baby is halfway there. I want a water birth. So I'm about to put on some clothes because I'm still not even dressed. I'm feeling like this outfit right here. I got this from Fashion Nova. They actually sent this outfit to me not too long ago. It's really cute, it's comfortable, and it's really nice to wear in the house in the wintertime. Actually, before I get dressed, Zaffo sent me some clothes, and I did say that I was going to do a try on haul on Instagram, so I might as well do it now. So this is the first item. It's a yellow, kind of like a mustard sweater. I love the material. It's not that itchy knit material. The collar is everything. The sleeves are a nice length. It's so warm. As you can see, it fits, baby. I am really satisfied with this sweater. Oh. Okay, so it looks like it's the same thing, only it's a different color. Yeah, this is definitely a different material. It's more smooth, and it has that color that I like. The sleeves are the perfect length. You see, this knit is kind of shiny. It looks really good. Oh yeah, I like this. And it's not the itchy fuzzy either. Love it. It's so Christmassy. You'll probably see this in a vlog coming up because I really like this. I really don't look pregnant from the front, but when I turn to the side, it's like, boom. Okay, this cardigan is everything. I usually don't like sleeves that are this short. It actually looks really nice. I love that it has pockets. Next is another cardigan. Very fluffy, but at the same time it's light. The only thing I don't like is the sleeves because they're not long enough. Definitely wearing this as a dress. It has the basic neckline, big long sleeves. This is how long it is, just so that you guys can see. Definitely gonna be a dress postpartum. It should actually be a dress now. You know what? Almost fell. Very nice color. I'm loving this, and it's super warm. I am extremely hot right now. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is another jacket. Baffle, what's going on? This is very, very cute, and this is actually a large. I ordered a large, and that's how far the sleeves will go. The material is so soft. It has a hood. Why can the sleeves be longer? Oh my god, this is so cute! Like, I'm still wearing it. I'm definitely wearing this. My wrist will be on froze. Bars! I'm nervous. These sleeves look exactly the same. Oh my god, this jacket is so warm. And it's so... I feel like a bear. I feel like I just want to give out hugs. I really don't, but you know, it feels like I'm supposed to say that when I have this jacket on. But don't hug me. I don't like hugs. This is so cute. Like, oh my god. Yes. It's just the sleeves. Yes. This is what I've been waiting for. It has short sleeves, but you know what? I come to terms that with Zaffle's coats, they have short sleeves. This jacket is so comfortable. It's so soft. It actually feels light, but when you put this thing on, it is warm. Like, I am burning up right now. And last but not least, we have a pair of suede pants. I want to try these on, but it takes so long for me to put on pants. So this is what they look like. They're suede. Got these in the medium, and they have the cuff bottoms. That's the end of my Zaffle haul. That's the end of my Zaffle haul. I definitely will recommend buying from Zaffle. They're definitely affordable. They have great quality clothes. It's just when you have long arms and you want your wrist covered, it's gonna be a little struggle. Look who it is. My favorite human being. For now. Someone looks hungry. Eat. That's definitely a yes.
I am finally off the clock. Headed over to Walmart to grab some cheese for the wife to prep tonight's dinner. Other than that, there's another 10-hour shift tomorrow. Yeah, another 10-hour shift. So yeah, I'm just gonna head over to Walmart and grab some mozzarella cheese, some broccoli, some